business, expecting one package in today, which was a gift from my son for Mother's Day that I didn't get. So I wasn't really expecting to be receiving anything from Rockauto Naturals. I was so surprised. And look at this gorgeous paper. Oh, wow. Girl, I cannot stand how much the feels you're putting me into right now. I didn't order anything, if that's, you're wondering why I'm making so much noise. Pardon the paint on my nails. I was doing art today. So let's see what's in the card. So here's the card. And it's just because. Chanel, girl, you're making me feel all kinds of way. This is so cute. James Brown card. We have some singles to go, and they will be used promptly because I actually love these types of things. I haven't had some of these since my last plane ride. Love that. Now I'm scared to look in here because I love her bath bombs, but they're premium bath bombs. I shall say that they are superb and premium and worth every penny. But I haven't really been able to purchase from her because they're premium, they're big, and then they're heavy, and the shipping is even a lot. So, but I do love her stuff. So let's see what we have here. How cute is that? So shimmery. White Rabbit, scented in sandalwood, honey, amber patchouli. Why? I'm still trying to get over why I got a package from her. Like, seriously, girl. Seriously. And even if these had all been broken, like, oopsie bombs, I'd been like, yay! Because, my heart, girl. I can't even get over it. Cherry Cola Bath Bomb, scented in cherry, lime, and cola. I'm going to demo the mess out of every piece of this because, come on. What? Wait a minute. What is this? When Doves Cry. Soap Foaming Sugar Scrub. I do love a foaming sugar scrub. I really do. I don't like the regular sugar scrubs, but I do love the foaming. Oh my gosh, girl. Box is full of stuff, and I love this one. I saw this one and I loved it. Just look at the shimmer on it. I'm not deserving of you, honestly. Kokomo, Juicy Pina Colada, Maraschino Cherries, Blooming Gardenias, and Suntan Oil. Like, really, I am super touched. Like, really, I am uber touched by this because I know, because that's the reason I haven't really purchased, that even the shipping is ridiculous from your side of the town to mine. And so I'm in my feelings right now. Why? They're just bath bombs, but when people are kind to me for no reason. Spearmint, peppermint, corn mint, fresh cut grass, and black tea. This sounds like it's going to be really spicy smelling. Look how beautiful it is. And this is Bath and Body Oil. I got paint all over my hands. And I think this is the last thing in here. I better check before I make a mistake. Crumbles of Under the Milky Way. This is my all-time favorite bath bomb of hers, honestly. It literally makes my tub look iridescent. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen it. I think that the video that I did of Under the Milky Way, she said I was the only one that was able to capture it that way. It must be the lighting in my bathroom. But I cannot wait to see if I can make that effect come up again in my tub, because every time you do a demo, it doesn't always show the beauty that is in the actual bathroom. And this one did. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Although I'm not deserving of anything else, I'm just making sure. I don't want to throw away any product. I think that's it. Yes, that's it. And the box is pretty light. All right, so what did we have here? Under the Milky Way. Pardon all the paint and stuff. I just do too much art in here. This was the White Rabbit, and just look at the shimmer on that. Ooh, instant embed show. Guys, if you're looking at this and you make bath bombs, this is what I like to see. I like to be able to know that the moment my bath bomb hits the water, there's going to be an embed show. If you put them too far deep in and I have to wait too long because I'm a demo person, that's a little frustrating for me. Cherry Cola Bath Bomb. I'm still over here trying to get over, like, I'm like out of breath and everything. Girl, why? 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 You're so nice. Oh, dears. Dears. Freaking look at my cat up there. Hey, Lincoln. Look at him. Up there climbing on my daggone beams. What you doing? Oh, I know you want to come down. Anyway, back to my stuff. The next thing that I had was Cosmic Girl Bath and Body Oil, When Doves Cry, Foaming Sugar Whip Scrub, and a bunch of little goodies that I'm actually going to make use of every single one of these because they're delicious. And this thing is amazing. And then her card that just says, just because. And just the fact that she didn't write a card with a whole bunch of, this is why I'm doing this for you. Just saying just because, it adds to the feels that I have. Because just like, she's just because. No other reason. I don't feel like I need to say anything more other than just because. That makes me feel loved. And I love you too, Chanel. All right, guys, that's it from Rock Oil Naturals. And her amazing stuff. And I will talk to you guys on the next one after I get my tissues and I stop myself from crying up in this joint because I'm like speechless. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.